Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and we're looking at a one bedroom at the 4th at Navigation. So we're gonna walk into it. This is our detailed walkthrough. This is the hallways, you can see it. It's kind of got an industrial feel. The ceilings are exposed, kind of, exposed kind of ductwork, but it's super, super modern. This is an all new building, and we're gonna walk into the one bedroom. So let's take a look. Okay, we walk in, oh wow. Okay, super, super nice. Definitely above even my expectations. I just love the look and feel here, don't you? So let's walk through the kitchen a little bit, just describe a few little things here. First of all, I love the island. It's really clean looking. It's a really nice island. And then I love just the black and white. Feels great in here. This is a very nice look, and I love how many, oh gosh, that's a built-in desk. So you can work from there. It's really nice to see that. This 3-door fridge is amazing. And then look at these cabinets, so many cabinets here. And then look at this gem. This is amazing. Gas. Very, very nice to see this. And especially, wow, four, and then you've got a range, kind of a range top, gas top to kind of warm things on. So very, very nice. And wow, really, really cool. Hey, look at this. Look more island on this side. It's got your microwave, and then it's got a wine fridge over here. So it's really super cool. Hey, the ceilings here are like 15 to 17 feet. They're really tall. You're gonna feel great in here. You're gonna feel like there's a ton of room. And there really is. It's beautiful out here. Hey, let's go take a look outside. So you have a patio also. Look at this. This is pretty cool. You got a really big patio. Look how big this is. It's like another room. I mean, really, it's huge. Now this is overlooking the pool. We're gonna see that pool in a minute. Really nice pool. Feels like a luxury high-rise kind of pool. But this is what it looks like over here. It's got a great feel. Wow. I'm really impressed. Very, very impressed with this. Hey, we're going to walk in, and now we're going to go take a peek at the bedroom and the bathroom. So let's do that in another video.